Where does the name for Axton come from? So today I'm in Flintshire on a small hill just east of the Gop, and it's called Axton. Let's get into the name. Now there's something strange about the name for Axton. If we go back into the records, it's recorded as Acstyn. Now sometimes letters swap places in languages to make them easier to pronounce, and that happens quite a lot in English, but everywhere else the name of this town would be Aston, like the million Astons across England. But here it's got a K in it. Why is that? The reason is it's quite possible that the name doesn't come from Old English at all, but from its sister language, Old Norse, in which an ash tree was an ask. So it would mean the tun, the farmstead, of the ash tree. And it's not entirely unlikely. There are Old Norse place names around the coast of Wales, but on both sides of the River Dee, there's quite extensive records of Viking settlement. Is it possible that a Viking settled here and made a farm and grew a nice ash tree out the front of it? Maybe. So the name literally means the farm with the ash tree. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. I appreciate it. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.